Okay, in this video I've been asked to do this sum here, or work out this differential. So before we do this, we're going to explain exactly what this means. So if you have got dy by dx, what that means is you're differentiating your y, whatever y is, with respect to x. So I'm going to go through an example of a different way that we could write this in. So we could write, so say your y was equal to x squared, your dy by dx would be equal to just differentiate x squared, you'll get 2x. But you could write that as d of x squared by dx. That means the same thing. It means differentiate x squared with respect to x, and you will get 2x. So over here, in this one that we're doing, we have to basically, this is like your y, and we have to differentiate it. So before you do that, what you've got to get is get that in index form. So I'm just going to look at that thing. It is minus x to the 5 plus x to the 7, and it's all being divided by 3x to the minus 4. Now we can split that up. We can write that as minus x to the 5 over 3x to the minus 4 plus x to the 7 over 3x to the minus 4. Now if you do that, this bit here, you have really minus 1 divided by 3. That's just going to be minus 1/3. And then you have got this part here, you have x to the 5 divided by x to the minus 4. Remember, when you divide by index numbers, you subtract the powers. So it's now going to become x to the power of 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 5 plus 4, which is going to be 9. And then over here, the bit in yellow, we have 1 really divided by 3. So that's just positive 1/3. And then we have got x to the power of 7 divided by x to the minus 4. So that is going to become x to the power of 11. So now we're ready to differentiate it. So when you differentiate that thing, if that was your y, your dy by dx would be, to differentiate, you multiply by your power and reduce your power by 1. So that'll be minus 9 over 3, x to the power of 8, and then plus 11 over 3, x to the power of 10, and you can tidy that up. That's just minus 3, x to the power of 8, plus 11 over 3, x to the power of 10. So if we just put that over here, my answer for this thing would be minus 3x to the power of 8 plus 11 over 3 x to the power of 10.